Hey guys, this will be a short unboxing video. Oh look, it's already open. So what we got here is something I did not expect because I ordered this like 2 days ago. Very interesting. Oh look, it's already open. So let's slide this out and let's see what we got. So what we have here is two microphones and a receiver for my phone. Let's test them out. I'm gonna assume green means it's paired. So I just put it like a lav microphone, like a lavalier microphone. So I just put it right there. So yeah, let's see. Can you guys still hear me? How about now? What about now? Well, now you guys can't even see me. I'm downstairs. Hey guys, so yeah, I hope that worked. I have two actually, so I don't know where the other one's gonna go. I ordered one of these, but it arrived as two. So now I have 2 packs arriving with 2 of these. It's gonna be 4 total. I don't know why I bought 2. Don't ask. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick video. Hopefully this is better. If not, I'm not going to use it. If it is, I'm going to use it.